Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by fixing the foundation, controller response, and initial sensitivity. First, set a small dead zone like 0, 0.5 to avoid stick drift. Then pick conservative horizontal and vertical sensitivity numbers. Think 30-45 horizontal and 25-40 vertical as your baseline so you can adjust precisely. Once done, toggle aim smoothing or advanced aim assistance to compare feel. Make sure to test with a mid-range hitscan hero. This gets you into consistent input territory fast. Once your baseline is stable, focus on deliberate practice and fine-tuning. You should do targeted drills, flicks, sustained tracking, and fast target switching for 10 to 15 minutes per session to build muscle memory. While practicing, make small adjustments to aim ease-in, ADS multiplier, and the aim assist window in 5 to 10% steps so you can feel the difference. Also, record gameplay or use a console-compatible aim trainer to measure progress. This guides which settings truly help your consistency. Now integrate changes into live matches. Apply tune settings to your primary heroes, then test in quick play before competitive so you adapt under pressure. If something feels worse, troubleshoot methodically. Revert one setting at a time to isolate the problem, rather than changing multiple variables at once. Make sure to retest dead zone and disable vibration to rule out hardware noise. If issues persist, swap controllers briefly to confirm. This final step gets you match ready and gives one clear tip when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.